they built this entire structure for a architecture competition or an exhibition that was internationally held. This kind of gives hope for architecture students, and I hope we still had these kind of architecture competitions. ये जो बनाया गया था ना, ये US के द्वारा बनाया गया. Hey guys, very good morning to all of you. As you can see, these are not old boring Ottawa street. We are in Montreal today, and I am here with my friends and of course Ilgin.
So
What happened to your finger?
you hit me and I'm bleeding now.
That's why I keep telling you, don't put your fingers where they shouldn't be.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
So guys, we are planning to go और थोड़े ऐसे places को discover और like explore, not discover. Explore करने की कोशिश करेंगे जो कि टूरिस्टी भी है and which are even architecturally sound and architecturally famous. So let's see how this trip goes. So without any delays, let's get started with the video, guys. सो गाइज़, हम लोग हमारे फर्स्ट स्टॉप पे आ चुके हैं जो मैं आपको बता रहा था कि बायोस्फीयर है. एंड बिहाइंड मी इज़ दैट स्फीयर. लुक एट द sheer साइज ऑफ दिस एंटायर स्ट्रक्चर. इट्स मैसिव गाइज. एंड स्पेशल पॉइंट्स अबाउट दिस बायोस्फीयर इज़ ये जो बनाया गया था ना, ये US के द्वारा बनाया गया है. एंड US ने इसको 1967 में एक आर्किटेक्चर इंटरनेशनल आर्किटेक्चर कंपटीशन होता है उसके ड्यूरेशन में बनाया था, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था और सब ने कुछ ना कुछ एग्जिबिट बनाया है. सो ये बायोस्फीयर इन लोगों ने एनवायरमेंटल रिसर्च फैसिलिटी और US's इंक्लिनेशन एंड डेडिकेशन टूवर्ड्स द एनवायरनमेंट दिखाने के लिए बनाया था, जो कि वैसा कुछ है नहीं. And we all know what US is and how US is. So yeah, it's just a showpiece, a big showpiece and a research facility and environmental research and conservation facility. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं थोड़ा सा इस स्ट्रक्चर के करीब. ये यहाँ पे बंद है बट हम लोग जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Guys, how are you guys feeling?
पूरी बाबे दिया मेर जट डोंट केयर.
Yeah, it's very cold. It's -15 right now, and as you can see, like we're walking in thick snow. Let's go inside and start climbing it. Just imagine we will be on news. 3 Indian guys stuck. 3 Indian men stuck on biosphere.
In a major investigation breakthrough, Canadian police have announced that they have nabbed 3 Indian men. These 3 men, all of them apparently were on a student visa, living in Edmonton in Canada.
Just imagine they built this entire structure for a architecture competition or an exhibition that was internationally held back in 1967. इतने साल पहले भी they were doing these kind of stuff, and we stopped doing such great and massive events around the world, and they made this just to prove a point that they are dedicated towards the environment. Look at the size of this entire structure from here, and you can judge from my scale the entire scale of this structure. It's so massive. Like each frame that you were able to see is like, look at this. It's like so big, and every bar is like this huge. Okay guys, so हो गया हमारा ट्रिप पूरा. We can't go inside because it's closed. Ben, how did you feel about the structure? Being a fellow architect.
Yeah, I really did enjoy it. Nice blend of steel, aluminium, and then there's exposed concrete also inside, like a nice contrast, and glass facades.
Interesting. By the way, Ben has shifted his profession towards UX researcher. So yeah, people who keep asking me, जो लोग भी पूछते हैं मुझे कि profession change कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं? Yes, you can,
Yes,
guys. In
Yeah.
time, if you want to, you should.
for sure. There are pros and cons, but yes,
Yeah.
architecture background also really helps.
Yeah,
Anyways,
yeah. In these kind of fields, right?
Yeah, a
Like
lot
in
of
researching things and stuff.
research, yes.
Yeah. So, yes guys, अगर आपको फील्ड चेंज करनी है कर लो फील्ड चेंज, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So guys, this entire structure was part of an exhibition that was held, architectural exhibition that was held in 1967. And to make this structure from side of Canada, Moses Sabdi was, he's an architect, and back then he was just a student, and he designed this structure to be a prefabricated concrete structure that will be connecting, interlocking with each other and have multiple terraces, creating an environment that will be more private and also gives you a sense of social activity and social connectivity with other apartments as well. Guys, over here you will see how the structure is interlocking with each other. There are multiple terraces that are forming. I will also show you through drone view how these terraces are overlooking each other. Guys, before going forward in this video, I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel and yes, support my efforts of taking or making this video for all of you in minus 15 degrees Celsius. It's very cold, guys. So yeah. Okay guys, it's so cold that we can't go outside and stay for a long time. So that's why we are flying the drone, and we will be capturing Habitat 67 from my drone, and we will be sitting in the car. And we are gonna put the drone out from here. Guys, look at this. It's freezing cold right now, but this structure looks so amazing, like how they have stacked all these cubes, small cubes on top of each other. It looks like someone's thesis project, which it is actually, and they actually made someone's thesis project in real life. This is so cool. This kind of gives hope for architecture students, and I hope we still had these kind of architecture competitions with countries where people select some projects and show or make something that is a conceptual model but can solve potential problems. I think so this will be a great example for a lot of architecture students to be creative, be innovative, and to think about solving problems. So Montreal has been named after this mountain, and this is a very beautiful place. So ये वीडियो में बस हम लोग यहाँ का थोड़ा व्यूज़ देखेंगे, ड्रोन शूट करने वाला हूँ. So we will see some cool drone footages. So let's get started.
Home point updated.
Okay guys, हम लोग ने शूट तो कर लिया थोड़ा बहुत, and Ilgin का नया, what is it called? Headgear?
I don't
What
know.
is this? What do you have in your head?
I'm a
Hoodie? New hoodie?
bear hat.
Yeah. We got it yesterday. I thought she looked really cool.
And look at this.
And look at
I
her.
carry drone here
She is
on the pocket.
Yeah, she's a very techie bear. Very techie. Like it just launches itself from her headgear and attacks people.
What is it? What's wrong, sister?
Sushant and Ben are also here. Sushant, how are you feeling?
We always feel cold.
We are always cold.
But this hat helped me a lot, really. I'm very warm now.
Yes.
Also, pocket heaters,
Yeah.
chemicals.
Oh yeah. Exactly. Like these are.
I have them in my shoes too.
Yeah. So guys, these are like chemicals, like that react and produce some kind of exothermic reaction, which produces heat. So yeah, she uses that. It's pretty nice. I have used that as well. We are going. We will have some food. कुछ खाएंगे पिएंगे and यहाँ से निकलेंगे